Look at her.
Just look at something.
Where'd it go?
Can you see, Shelby?
Bake this
Yeah.
350 degrees for about 35 to 40 minutes. And we'll see what Miguel's up to. And when the cake's done, I'm going to go shopping.
Give your hand.
Where'd it go? Where'd it go, baby girl? My baby girl.
Did anyone else hear my phone beep? Because I surely didn't.
I didn't.
My phone beeped and it was Audrey. I texted Jamie.
Carla, she thinks it's broken. She has the wrong end pointing up.
Oh.
Ow. Ow.
Ah. I don't know.
Make everything, and I mean everything. Finally, I got a little smarter, and I thought I'm just going to buy a few things.
She keeps pointing to the ceiling in the room.
Yeah.
We're recording it.
Hi, Larry.
She's got it pointed right.
Maybe some olives. Maybe this.
She leaves the flashlight.